So today, this video, we are going to talk about wireless mic. Okay, so I got this here, I got this here, and I got this earbuds from Samsung Galaxy Buds, okay, Samsung phone. And I'm going to show you that like what are the differences between these. And I would say the more money that you pay, it's actually a little bit more worth it. It's because the sound quality, how it goes, okay? So this one here is actually the most expensive one out of all these three. This one is cost almost $179. This one with the discount is only $99. And this one here is only $29. And I would say that I've been using this quite some time, for more than a year. Before, on the Black Friday, I got this deal right here, Hollyland. And then this one maybe is around $179 because I need all these like gadgets, right? I need this for the cameras, okay? So this one, you have to hook it up with the camera with the wires. Or USB-C to hook up on Android phone, or lightning cable for the iPhone, old iPhones. And then at the end, you can see I'm using this to record this video. As you can see, it's as you can hear, it's very clear. And you can see this is a very tiny mic. You can see that, very tiny mic. And then it ends up like this right here. I would say this is actually really good. I spent a little more money on this, but the sound quality, as you can hear, it sounds really good. And these ones here are okay, but you know, the quality, even when you touch it, it's just really bad. And the sound quality, it sounds like you're inside the box. So if you're actually looking for the best wireless mic for YouTube, hands down, I would say this is the one that you should go for. Hollyland, or maybe I never tried the newer, the brand called Newer, but I would, you know, one day I'll contact them and try to see if they can send me a sample. But they sent me this sample and I tried a couple of videos, including this video. This is a really good sound quality. Very easy to connect. Once you plug it in, as in the USB-C on the phone, they can right away, they will connect to your mic with seamlessly, okay? You don't have to do anything else. And then you put it back in, and then you can see the battery right here, okay? And then you can use your USB-C to connect right there, and then you can charge the whole box, and then you can use this for traveling and things like that. I would not prefer to use this because it's so flimsy using this for wireless mic. But as you can see, it's the same thing, okay? The USB-C right there, and then the mic right here. These are very easy to connect as well too, but the sound quality, it sounds like you're inside the box. But these here sounds very crispy, clear, easy to hear, and you don't have to do any editings after you record using this, okay? So I would highly suggest you to try this out. It's called Hollyland. You can look at my description below and where to get this on Amazon. But there is like $134 for just USB-C. There's $134 for the lightning cable, or $179 Canadian for all three, okay? You can see this, all three, and they will come with a bed, the wire, and everything, okay? So this is the one connect with the cameras, okay? There's a hole right there, and then it's pretty nice, I would say, all right? So if you're looking for the wireless mic, this is the best wireless mic you will ever get for the YouTube, all right? Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and have a good day. Bye, peace out.